Welcome back to my channel. Come on, job seekers. If you're the one who watched my video for the first time, please then go for subscription and press the bell icon. Then only you will get the latest job notification. I am doing my videos up today, therefore you will get all the job notification without any delay. Here comes the notification of UCIL, Uranium Corporation of India Limited. For the 7 post, you can apply through online mode for the 7 post, and the opening date for the online registration has already started. It is started from 18th May, and last date of online submission of application with fee is 22nd of June, and the date of computer based online examination will be notified later. They have not declared the date yet. That's why I am asking you to stay tuned with my videos, because whenever they release the date of computer based online examination, I will do a video related to that. Therefore stay tuned with my channel. You will get all the job related notification up to date. Now we can go through the details of the post. First post is graduate operational trainee chemical. Four post vacancies are there, and age limit is for general 30 years and for SC and ST 35 years as on 13th April. Okay, 13th April 2020. Then let's go through the qualification. Qualification is BSc Physics or Chemistry with minimum 60% mark for general candidates and 55% mark for SC or ST candidates. And those who have a very good knowledge in computer will be preferred. And the next post is Mining Mate C, and 52 vacancies are there, so don't miss the opportunity. And age limit is for general 35 years, for OBC non-criminal 38 years, and for SC and ST 40 years. And here also the age, this age should be as on 13th April 2020. And here the qualification is intermediate with unrestricted mining mate certificate of competence issued by DGMS. Here you have possess 5 years experience at mining. Okay, here experience required, and candidates must be able to read or write, read, write, speak Hindi or local language. And the next post is boiler cum compressor attendant A, and here the vacancies, number of vacancies 3, and age limit is 30 years for general, for OBC non-criminal 33 years, and for ST 35 years. And the qualification is 10th pass is required, but you should have first class boiler attendant certificate granted by some government board of any state, and 1 year experience are also required. Okay. Next, we can go through the winding engine driver B post, and here the number of posts is 14, and age limit is for general 32 years, for OBC non-criminal 35 years, SC or ST 37 years. Here also 10th pass or equivalent is required. It is the essential qualification, and you should possess first class winding engine driver certificate from the Directorate General of Mine Safety. Here also they are asking more than 3 years working experience as a winding engine driver in metal or coal mines. And the fifth post is blaster B post, and here the number of vacancies for age limit is 32 years, for general, for SC and ST 37 years. Here also the essential qualification is metric, okay, 10th equivalent. And you should possess a blaster certificate of competency issued by DGMS. And here also they are asking for minimum 3 years experience as blaster in underground metal mines. And the next post is apprentice mining mate. Here 53 vacancies there, and age limit for general 25 years, OBC non-criminal 28 years, SC or ST 30 years. And here the essential qualification is intermediate with minimum 60% mark for general or OBC non-criminal candidates, and 55% for SC or ST candidate. And the next post and the last final post is apprentice laboratory assistant. Here the total number of vacancies is about 6 vacancies. And here the age limit for general category 25 years, for OBC non-criminal 28 years, SC or ST 30 years. And here also the essential qualification is metric with minimum 60% mark for general or OBC non-criminal candidates, and 55% mark for SC or ST candidates. Okay, next we can go through the selection process. Here you are selected through the online examination, and there is almost no interview for this recruitment. Almost all the candidates will be shortlisted only on the basis of your your online examination. And here the online examination will be held in 16 cities only, okay, in 16 cities. So that will be mentioned in your online application form, and you can choose 3 examination center in the order of your preference. Now let's talk about the online examination. And here the online examination will be held for the duration 2 hours, and it consists of general knowledge, awareness, reasoning, numerical ability, general English, and professional knowledge, which means discipline related. And the question paper comprises of the examination comprises of 120 objective type questions. They all are multiple choice answers. And here for this recruitment you have to pay some amount of fees. And for candidate belongs to general or OBC, criminal and non-criminal, both categories have to pay a rupees refundable pay, okay, it is a refundable amount of rupees 500. And for SC, ST, PWD and female candidates are excluded from the payment of application fee. Here the application fee can be paid through online mode, that is debit card, credit card, net banking, like that, okay. As I have already discussed about the age limit for each post, but as usual for each and every recruitment, here also some age relaxation is there. 5 years for SC and ST, 3 years for OBC, and 10 years for PWD general, and 13 years for PWD OBC non-criminal categories, and 15 years for PWD SC ST candidates. Now you can apply through a link www.uraniumcorp.in. okay, I will give this link in my description post. You can go through that link, and you can apply through that link. And my dear friends, you have to remember one thing: you can apply for only one post, okay. In case of multiple application, last application will be considered as final, and all other application will get cancelled. So today our video is all about this one. If you like my video, please like it, share and subscribe.